All right, so we're ready to celebrate here. The Nowak virtual open house is in the books. So thank you to all the staff. Thank you to everyone that participated. We are ready to have a party.
All looking so good, all delicious.
This whole month, and I just want to say, seeing everybody today and working all together, and it just like warms my heart. Everybody's been working so hard this whole month, and you guys have just like
Just knocked it out of the park. You guys just rocked it.
you guys all did just absolutely incredible.
Hi guys. Everybody's gonna do a toast.
Thank you all so much for participating.
Now we're going to socially distance.
Yeah. Everybody's waving. Thank you guys. And definitely all the patients, especially if you're joining in right now, we appreciate everything that you do for us and making things happen and for purchasing and just doing something for yourself, right, Dr. Nowak?
Trusting us to take care of you. Thank you. Cheers.
Cheers.